Hi riders! If you want serious reviews, the latest motorcycle news, action and sound videos of the hottest motorcycles, join us to Bikers Club.
The new 2022 Honda Monkey ABS is here with lots of changes from 2021. While not all new, there are plenty of important changes worth knowing about. There's a lot about the new Monkey that will undoubtedly drive you ape for it. The 2022 Honda Monkey has an all-new engine. The new motor displaces 1 cubic centimeter less, and it's an even more undersquare motor than before. The bore is narrowed by 2.4 mm, and the stroke lengthened 5.2 mm. Compression is up from 9.3 to 1 to 10 to 1. All of this adds up to a motor that should have considerably more pull off the line, always welcome in urban environments when doing battle with high-power SUVs. Also, the cleanable oil screen is gone, and there is now a traditional replaceable oil filter. There are still similarities between the old motor and the new power plant. The 2022 engine remains an undersquare SOHC2 valve design with air cooling and fuel injection, via a 24 mm throttle body. There's now an extra COG in the transmission. Honda ditched the 4-speed. And the 2022 Monkey is now a wider ratio 5-speed. First gear is lower, while the new 5th gear is higher than the old 4th gear. The chassis has undergone a few changes, too. The wheelbase has been shortened by 1.5 inches, though the rake, 25 degrees, and trail, 3.2 inches, are unchanged. The 32 mm inverted fork is unchanged, but the twin shocks now control 4.0 inches of wheel travel, up 0.7 inches. Also, the 2022 Monkey seat height is a hair lower, and its curb weight is down 5 pounds. Those who venture off-road on the Monkey will notice that the 2022 edition has an extra 0.6 inches of ground clearance. Returning features are electric starting, disc braking, ABS is now standard, and 12-inch wheels shod with V-rubber tires. Although retro, the Monkey has LED lighting and a round LCD dash. There are two new, two-tone colors for the Monkey. You get to choose between the tasty banana, yellow and the classy pearl black. Both are matched with an appropriate shade of gray. The tank of the new Monkey has a retro 3D Honda logo. The 2022 Honda Monkey ABS has the same price as the previous ABS version, $4,199.